GRIAS Academy.
"70 days of preparation, hundreds of topics, thousands of pages, all, but here comes the real question. Will all this convert into marks in the examination? If your answer is I'm not sure, then this video is very helpful now. So, welcome all to the Mission Surya Phase 3. This Phase 3 is more important and more decisive phase of your UPSC preparation. So, let's see what it is. Generally, when our Mission Surya is started, we have done 2 phases now. Generally, we plan for 3 phases. And we are done of 2 phases. What are those 2 phases? The 2 phases are, we have done 1.5 years of current affairs of only static part. Okay. Static part we have done, that is history, your core subject, static core. History, polity, economy. This is what we have done in phase 1. When seeing the phase 2, in phase 2 we have covered the December 2025 current affairs. Till here we covered December 2025 in the phase 1. The remaining leftover topics of December 2025 and this 2026 January, February, March. These 3 months we have been, and March and April, we have been covering in phase 2. Okay, along with IR. Okay, now phase 3. In phase 3, we are introducing the STEM revision program. So now let's look into what is STEM revision program now. Okay, this is completely for science and technology and environment, because science and technology and environment plays a very crucial role. Current affairs from these 2 topics plays a very crucial role in your prelims examination. We can mostly expect 20 to 30 marks from the science and technology and environment topic. Okay, so this STEM revision program is being launched in the phase 3 of Mission Surya. The last 25 days, I mean your exam date, you will still have 30 days for your preparation. Still we have 30 days for the UPSC prelims examination. Okay, now these we will be completing in 25 days. 25 days we will be completing complete science and technology and environment related issues of past 1.5 years and the running, in the coming months also, if any current events are there, we will be updating in this program. Okay. And however, we will consolidate the learning from last 70 days. Okay. Our core approaches will be not everything, we just take selective revisions. Okay. Then not every topic in news related to science and tech and environment. We take most probable topics in news. Not just topic coverage. We don't just cover the topic. We enhance the topic, like maximum marks will be covered. Okay. Now, then what will you get in the next 25 days? Let's see. Revision of most predicted science and tech topics. Most predicted science and tech topics will be revised in the next 25 days. Revision of most predicted environment topics will be covered, and coverage of latest 2025 current affairs of science and tech and environment will also be covered in this phase 3, as I said. So, less topics, more marks. Mostly concentrating, this phase is completely been concentrated. Phase 3 of Mission Surya will completely concentrate in SNT and environment. Okay. So, before your exam also, if any current affair is there, everything will be included in this phase. Okay, don't worry that if any topics will be missing or not. We'll make sure that all the topics will be covered within these 25 days. Okay. Next. See, environment focus. Let's see first environment. How would we cover the environment topic? Complete coverage of important 1.5 year environment topics we will be covering, and then we take PIB as a main source and special focus on climate change and conversations. From environment, we assure you that we will give our 100% so that maximum questions will be covered, maximum topics will be covered, and you will gain a nice marks in the prelims examination. Next, coming to SNT, Science and Technology. Science and Technology also we have planned in such a way that past 1.5 year SNT topics will be covered with the main sources from PIB and Ministry of Science and Technology, Science and Technology website, and we will be focusing on the areas mainly like green technology, future technology sheet and technoterm sheets, like example CRISPR-Cas9, RM30, forever chemicals and etc. Forward chemicals and all we will be taking up, because see, in newspapers and all we find a lot of current affairs dump, we can see, like regarding the environment and regarding the environment and science and technology, we will be seeing a lot of dump, current affairs dump. But we what we do is, because you all have very less time, so concentrating mainly on science and technology and environment, we are taking only selective topics which are more preferable to come in the examination. We will be not only those like won't be leaving all the topics, but more precisely we will focus on the concepts which are more preferable for your prelims examination, for your UPSC CSE prelims examination. Okay. Next, why STEM revision? Why STEM revision program? You all can generally ask us. You all have conducted 2 phases. In that only you all can cover the environment and science and tech. In that, why again a separate STEM program like this has been given? Because it highlight areas in prelims, because in prelims 30 marks, not a small thing, 20 to 30 marks is not a small thing in our prelims examination. So to score those marks, we are bringing it very near to the exam date, so that these will be in your mind and you all can attempt it very properly and you all can score easily 20 to 30 marks from this. So high impact areas in prelims. SNT and environment together contribute how much? 20 to 30 questions in UPSC prelims. It varies every year. One of the highest scoring and most predictable sections. This is the one of the most scoring and high predictable sections. That's what I'm telling you all. So highly current affairs driven. This program is highly current affairs driven. Like questions are not static. It's not like history. It's not like polity. It's not like economy and all. This is not at all static. So direct linkage with recent developments, government initiatives, reports and conventions, all has to be linked coming to this science and tech and environment. Static knowledge alone is not sufficient for gaining current affairs for science and technology and environment. Only by having static knowledge we can't clear this topics. Okay. So that's why we have come up with STEM revision program, so that we will be linking to recent developments, the government initiatives and the reports and conventions which have happened since 1.5 year since back. Okay. Now, see, the core problem is what I've said recently, too many topics in the news. A high dump of science and technology and environmental topics in newspapers, PIB websites, ministerial websites and all. So we are comprising all those things, bringing to a one platform, comprising all those things and bringing to one platform, so that you all won't be in a hurry of going to the websites, learning there, coming back, writing notes. This all won't be there, so that by Mission Surya Phase 3 STEM program, we do all those things for you and you can prepare well. Okay. Then lack of prioritization also, we will be learning more things. We don't know what to study and what to grab from the newspaper in a short period of time. Science and technology, what to read, environment, what current affairs would come. All these problems will be there. So this is the lack of prioritization also, we may miss the content, and confusion between important versus irrelevant. In this short period of time, you people will be in a hurry of everyone will be in this preparation, this thing. So what happens if science and tech and this thing 30 marks, how will we lose? This is what everyone has. So we are here to give you all a clear picture of science and technology and environment current affairs topics. So don't worry about it. Now, how STEM solves this? Everyone has these problems, right? Now, how our STEM program will solve this? It filters more probable topics. We filter more probable topics. It integrates static plus current affair. We integrate both static plus current affair. We'll link both and we'll give you a clear lecture and notes for that topics. Okay. It focuses on high return areas. It ensures minimum topics, maximum marks. Our main aim is minimum topics, high marks, maximum marks. Okay, so that everyone would clear their UPSC CSE Prelims examination. Friends, UPSC is not how much you study, it is about how effectively you revise. This is your final phase and your final opportunity. So prepare well and don't prepare much, prepare smarter. Okay. So let's start our phase 3 from tomorrow. And this is not just a revision program, this is a transformation of yours into rank holders. Okay. All the best everyone. So let us start our session from tomorrow. If you think this is helpful for you, do like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. From tomorrow we will be coming up with the STEM revision sessions daily. Okay. See you all tomorrow with the useful session of STEM revision program of Mission Surya phase 3. Thank you.